What's up, YouTube fam? Got this PS5 in not too long ago that had been not only roach infested, but also had been previously quote-unquote repaired by another technician. So let me get this thing apart here and I'll show you what the port looked like. Alright, now that we got the motherboard out, let's take a look under the scope, see what we find. Not sure exactly what was going on here, but they tried. As you can see, it's quite a mess in there. The anchor points don't look like they've been fully soldered down, so most likely what ended up happening is one of those horrible solder joints popped off, or the port came separated from the board, which damaged one of the traces that was ran. Go ahead and take the port off and see what we're actually working with here. Whew. Alright, it looks like there's what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12-ish traces that are damaged, and the filter cap is missing. So we're going to have to repair those traces, replace the filter cap, and then test. Let's get to work. Alright, the port's ready to go on now. Let's lay down some flux, heat it up, slap the port down, get ready to do all the traces. Alright, looking good. Let's get that little filter cap put on now. Alright, now it's time to clean and reapply the liquid metal so it runs nice and cool like the day you bought it, and reassemble it. Okay, not sure exactly what that was, but let's see if it works. Yeah, buddy, back in action. Need a repair? Head down to computerbooter.com, fill out a repair request, and we'll get you taken care of. Thanks for watching. See you next time.